Imagine a world where particles can exist in multiple places at once, where they can talk to each other instantly across the universe, and where simply observing them can change their behavior. Welcome to the bizarre and fascinating world of quantum physics, the science of the very, very small. Quantum physics is the branch of physics that studies the behavior of matter and energy at the scale of atoms and subatomic particles. Unlike classical physics, which describes planets, cars, and everyday objects, quantum physics explores electrons, photons, and the building blocks of everything around us. At this tiny scale, the rules of reality become completely different from what we see in daily life. One of the first surprises is called wave-particle duality. Light, which we usually think of as waves, can also behave like particles called photons. And matter, which we think of as solid particles, can also behave like waves. This was proven by experiments like the famous double-slit experiment, where single particles of light or electrons create interference patterns like ripples on water, showing their wave nature. Another mind-bending idea is quantum superposition. A particle can exist in multiple states or locations at once until it's measured. Think of Schrödinger's cat, a thought experiment where a cat in a box is both alive and dead until someone opens the box. In the quantum world, particles don't choose a definite state until they're observed. Then comes quantum entanglement, one of the strangest phenomena. When two particles become entangled, their states link together. Change one and the other reacts instantly, even if they are light years apart. This spooky action at a distance that, as Albert Einstein called it, challenges our understanding of space and time. Another key idea is the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. It says you can't know both the exact position and the exact momentum of a particle at the same time. The more accurately you measure one, the less accurately you know the other. This means there are limits to what can be known. Nature has built-in uncertainty. Quantum physics isn't just weird, it's useful. It powers modern technology. Semiconductors that run our computers and phones, quantum tunneling inside microchips, lasers used in medicine and communication, even the coming revolution of quantum computers, which could solve problems millions of times faster than today's supercomputers. Quantum physics shows us that the universe is far stranger and more beautiful than we ever imagined. The deeper we look, the more we realize reality itself is built on uncertainty, probability, and mystery, and we've only just begun to understand it. On-screen text. Follow for more mind-bending science.